Okay guys, today we're going to be getting gold 1 in Roblox Bedwars. Right now I'm silver for 10 RP. And season ends, or I don't know, what this summer battle pass in 2 days. So I just decided to get gold 1 today. We're going to be using kits like Zeno, Miner, Exat maybe. So let's get started. First game is seeming like rank cancel. Rank game cancel. 3v5. So yeah, it is definitely. Bro, why Eldrick? Everyone bans out. Okay, disabling match. So first game, rank cancel. Ranked thingy. So yeah, just queue again. Or lowk something she wants, I guess. So they have, it's a 5v3, they left, 5v3. Crystal, Void Regen, Fisher. So gotta watch bad. Yeah, we're definitely winning this. Okay. Rushing, pushing up. Okay, alright, chill, bro, chill. Nice, teammate got plating. Did a little mini split. And just go again. Thank you, bro. Ain't no way. There ain't no. Okay, I don't have enough materials to go for it. That was unfortunate. Very unfortunate, actually. I'm gonna go over here a little bit. Okay, teammate got bad. Nice. Alright, so I was like organize my inventory, so I died. There we go. We've won the game. First game won. Check our RP gains. Plus 18. 28 RP. It's not even bad. Next match. Just gonna be using Zeno. Zeno kit. Metal detector, farmer, Fisher. So they have like 3 resources. An added Tunde and a Stella. They might be cooked. Great ego team. Oh my god. I'm going talking. Holy, bro. What was that wind I saw from Kate? Got Diamond Guardian. And, Ego, my boy, my Kate. Great ego from Kate. Another diamond. Okay, we got tier 2. They have 3 economies, and we are better than them. We have got one of these scorp thingies. Just Xenoing him. Zapping him hard. Gonna PvP him. Oh, the pots. Let me just grab these pots over here. Great pots. 2 M's also. Great aim, great aim. Okay. Just like a controlling dominance aura at mid. 4 kills, 5 dims, and we have tier 3 already. I did not even notice we have tier 3. I do not use MS, by the way. You can hear my clicks every time in the background. Oh, teammate already got bed. Oh my god, teammate, you're goated, bro. Holy. Yep, got that. Nice. I'm gonna settle down real quick. Gold player, by the way. Holy. Gold player. Oh my god. Oh, I got a final kill, at least. Even if I didn't go for the bed, I got a final kill. Go flying, boy! I got that boy. I had tuned it. Diamond armor, though, mostly, so gotta lock in. And I feel like one of their players is going to go for a bed break eventually. So let's just kill them quick, so we can prevent that from happening. Okay, 5v2. Maybe not, teammate. That was up there. Oh, well, we won. W team, low-key. Alright, check our RP gains. 24. We have 52 RP, silver 4. Moving on to the next match. Got plating already, bro. It's free. I fed on one thing, but we got plating. I do not want to lose my pearl. What's this man doing, boy? What you doing, boy? I'm gonna go to Diamond Gen. Or somewhere over there. Pearl. Get the bed. And be one step closer to gold rank. Bro, I did not know Kaida can go that far, bro. Oh my god. Free bed, I guess. Broke the bed. And that guy transformed into a Milo block. Okay, bro. So watch out for them. Just going into wipe, if I can even find them. Milo will be so annoying. But the red tracker thing should counter at least, I think. Okay, it's only Milo left. And we've won. 6 kills, wow. And I got bed though, so I'm still happy with that win. Plus 16. 2 games away, I think. Might be 2 games away from gold 1. This is a winning streak. We haven't even lost a match yet. W's, bro. Don't hack, boy. Don't hack. What? Nah, he's blatant. He's actually blatant. He just climbed the wall. Nah, he's blatant. Nah, you're blatant. So, my recording just stopped again. But, my boy Barb, I think I caught it on camera. He just scaled this whole wall. He just, like, flew up. He just flew up. He is so blatant. This guy, bro. N_RO games. Bro, this guy's actually blatant, bro. Holy. Sneak attack. How? What? What? I don't even know how. That's like... He's blatant. He's so blatant. Oh my god. The most blatant, like... There ain't no way. I'm about to crash. I'm actually so blind. Like, I'm probably one of the blindest people alive. Oh my god. I'm blind. And I'm dead. I'm actually blind. I'm sorry, team. Oh no, might be a good idea. He does have the archer crossbow, which I need to be careful about. No way. I'm panicking. I'm actually panicking so hard. Okay, no blocks anymore. GG's. It's wraps. He's just gonna blow him to death. Juke. Oh yeah. Juke him out. Like, why are my teammates not helping, bro? We were so winning this until I became blind and my teammate got no obby, bro. You could have won that, teammate. You could have won that. See how much we lost, bro. Lost 13. Back at 55 RP, I guess. Queue for next match. This boy really bought real core blocks playing bedwars, bro. I think he's so cool. This guy's so cool. Guys, guess what, bro? My recording stopped again. What a surprise. I'm gonna go check it out real quick. Alright, we're back. I checked the footage and it was just kind of random. It was like every minute. I don't even know why. It's never been a problem. But just today, man. Yes, teammate, jug for me. Please jug for me now, teammate. Oh yes, get him. Yes, get him. Getting the bed. I'll go from their diamond generator route, which is somewhere over there. Team, please protect bed. And I have a slight feeling that we will lose this because my team is not defending bed. We will just starting to get spawn killed, and we'll lose bed, and we'll just lose. But I also have a feeling that I will literally just start cooking, get the bed, kill 10 people, and there's not even 10 people on the other team. Just reality, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, Bed Wars. Bro, Bed Wars is geeked. Oh my god. Random soft health, right? Are you serious? This metal detector is very suspicious of me. I just Mr. Mossed. Alright, I'm gonna be getting another 2 M's for the bed break. Okay, I don't even need 2 M's for bed break. Yeah, I don't even need it. My recording stopped and he jumped me and I didn't get to kill him. Diamond pick. Why is it so dark, bro? Oh my god. And I'm just going for forest one so I can get a little bit more materials. Possibly iron armor. Possibly not. They have a... Guys, just some quick vid. Quick little thing. I just realized why, I keep, things. So basically, my Mac Mini's disk is basically almost full, so I'm just gonna, spend some time cleaning it out. Be right back. Alright guys, so my thing ran out again, disk thingy. I didn't even know it was that easy to run out. I think my Mac Mini's cooked from all this video creating, and I tried deleting every other video in the past I've made. Nothing works. So, no way! There's no way! Ghost? Hello? Alright guys, kind of have to go.